Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and we had another video or two hit the 100 like club, so let's get cracking. So my friends, first things first, I am on the YouTube channel. Don't forget, you can find the Tinkercad 100 like club right here. This is the playlist where they're all put in there. If we look at the Tinkercad 100 like club, we are up to 26 videos. These are, of course, videos I have created that have got 100 likes, which makes my day. So if we move to the bottom, you can see that we just added the Make Any Animal. I'm going to move that to the top. And we have also added the top tricks in Tinkercad. I will quickly hit this little button and move it to the top as well. Alright friends, so let's take a quick look at what we added. First I'm going to peek at the top tricks. Friends, this is a neat lesson I have in Tinkercad. It's the second part of my top lesson, and the goal was to print a top that could spin for 60 seconds. So the challenge, my friends, was to build a top that could spin for 60 seconds or more. I will make sure I add links to the trials that students had. There are several cool videos about that. And this was one where you can make your top more fancy. Add cool designs, stars, cutouts, all kinds of different shapes. Because I don't know what the perfect one is. I'm hoping that you guys design that. The second video that I want to highlight is how to make any animal. Friends, don't forget this was created by one of my students, 8th grader Claudia. It is an awesome project where she made this awesome African wild dog. Alright friends, before I take you to the website, I do want to remind you friends, I use TubeBuddy on every single video. There is a link in the description. You can click it, install it, try it out yourself. The free version has a ton of useful features, and I hope you find it as useful as I do. So my friends, don't forget you can track it down by visiting HLModTech.com. Since it has to do with Tinkercad, we click the Tinkercad banner, and then also we've got the badges at the top, so you can either go to Circuits, Code Blocks, the 100 Like Club, the Designer Showcase, or things that are ready to print. When you hit the 100 Like Club, bam, you'll see that Make Any Animal and Top Tricks have been added. Friends, we've got a few more that are close. I'll let you check those out if you want to. Remember, friends, if you do watch one of these videos and see that it hits the 100 likes, you can leave me a comment and I'll give you a shout out for being cool enough to let me know that it got there. You can also click the messaging app and you can let me know via here. I'll give you a shout out as well. While I'm out here on the website, friends, I want to show you the flight tab. I have updated this just a little bit. You can see that I have got the badges up here for the Tiny Jet, paper airplanes, flight simulators, a airliner that we built, and then there is a new one called Where in the World is HLModTech. So everybody, when you click Where in the World, this is a new type of video I'm playing with. I am using GeoFS and I'm trying to fly in cool locations and then have you guys guess where in the world is HLModTech. Flight 1 was probably the most difficult. Flight 2 I was trying to make a little better, and I'm hoping Flight 3 is the most clear yet. When you watch them, if you can figure out where I am, simply add a comment in the videos. If you cannot comment on the videos, you can also leave me a message using the HLModTech website. Friends, thank you so much for watching, and I totally appreciate your support. This channel is so much fun because of viewers like you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.